What's your name? Caught on 4K dating 2 girls, bro. Caught on 4K dating 2 girls. Ha ha ha. Ha ha, bro. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Bro got caught on 4K. What the heck? They're gonna ban. He's gonna ban.
You big bag! Big bag.
He told us, heck.
What's your name? My name is ha ha ha, Ika.
So what? What a mean. Bro, it's a blackout. Bro, there's a blackout. Yeah, there's a freaking blackout. We are the blackout, bro. Mommy, blackout. The control is turned off.
Ay ako, kala ko walang tao dyan.
Doon ako.
Anya nga turn on ko.
Ang init kasi. Mainit.
Ay, mainit ba doon?
Dito.
There's a blackout.
Kala ko may blackout. Samanta, kala ko may blackout. Yung tita ko pala nag-turn off. He pranked me. What are you? What's that?
I am.
Oh, wait. Tell me what's your number, and all you got takes and tell me.
How old are you? I'm 13 too. Okay, bestie.
No, she means in real life. She means in real life, Samantha. She means in real life. How old are you in real life?
No, it's okay. Let's be like in my person. She is 7. He is 8 years old, by the way.
You're also 8, you dum-dum. I'm 8.
Shut up. You shut up.
I'm a little girl, but I am slaying and making makeup. Making cute outfits. Finally, my tita turn it on. Get out!
We just gonna stand here or what?
Should we just go? Should we just go in the house?
Stand here or what?
Should we just go to our house? Okay, bye-bye. Come on, let's go na, Samantha.
Okay, everybody in my car. Everybody in my car.
I wanna go in the back seat.
Hello?
Bring him. No, don't bring him. Don't bring him. Girl, you come in.
Babush.
Babush, habush, bomboklat.
Alam ko.
I'm 8.
I cannot.
Also, I am 8, you dum-dum. Nani? Ay.
Halika ka, be.
Ano ba?
I can't freaking drive. One of you drive, be.
Me! I wanna drive. I'm a good driver. Go hurry up, bestie, you dum-dum. No, Samantha, you put it in the word.
Oh.
He said I wanna
Go
drive.
before he comes.
What the go? What?
I said go drive.
You're...
My
Bro,
car locked. Oh, yeah, it's locked.
you freaking
Okay,
serious.
somebody
Come on!
Ano yan?
I wanna join, can I? I said okay. Okay, get into my car na lang, bro. Guys, just get into my big car. Get into the car. Get in the car. Bro, get in the car.
What the hell is that, bestie?
It's my car.
Okay,
I'm about to shit my pants.
wait for me. That's my car. I am in the front seat. That's why, okay?
Why is he behind? You bastard. Get in, you bastard. Get in.
Two little bastard.
Get in, you mother.
Okay, okay, finally.
This motherfucker is literally joining us to kill me, bro.
Ay.
I'm gonna. Wait, oh my god, Jackson! Bro, I also love my car, bro.
Can you open your pool? Can you open your pool?
Wait.
Open your pool!
Wait, shut up, you. I got the pool. Now shut the heck up.
This is the life.
This is the life in the dreams.
Why are you not yet outside the oh.
He's glitching out. Why is he wearing tattoos? He's next to you, bro.
The hell you're saying? The hell you say the bad word? Okay, freak you. They freak you.
Why you?
I cannot read that face.
And anyone be my... Can you jump? Friend girl?
No!
Okay.
My worst moment of my life.
Like most of my friends, I really want to...
Freak you, bestie. Go.
I was just joking. Joke lang. Baba, I'm 8, you dum-dum.
What if I just say I have a boyfriend?
I don't want... Oh, wait, okay, wait.
I'm 8. Bro, you just said that so casually, like you have said it a million times.
I did!
Not me, bro. You not look at me like that. I am a man. What if I just change in my man outfit?
I have a BF.
Oh, wait.
Barak! I have a BF, boyfriend. Yeah, bro, sound mad.
I just add him in our family.
Frick you, bro, frick you. Why is the girl changing in the background?
I don't know.
I don't freaking know. Ah! He's... And then the British accent in the last. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Can you say I don't have a
Wait, I want this put this one.
alone. So sorry, big man.
Yeah, wait, I mean this one. I mean this. I mean your. Wait, I mean yes, your. You're gay. You're gay. Are you a boy? No.
Freak you, bro. Are you in?
Indian.
No. I'm
No.
not Indian, friend.
No, I am not Indian. I am no. Ah. Okay. You just said it casually. In the night, in the dark. I am doing this casually because I did this a million times. Open the garage.
No, I am Filipino. Filipino pala.
No. Wait.
No.
Me too, bro. Me too. Me too.
Oh my gosh.
Bye. Bye, bro. I don't freaking care. You're ugly. Samantha, I see chop. Bros chop are bros chopped.
Okay. Bye. Why? 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 Oh, my little bastard.
Tell me why ain't nothing like to hear you say I want it that way. Yo, Samantha, Samantha, if I had voice chat, I'll say, dude.
Okay, bye-bye.
Samantha, if I had voice chat right here, I would say, dude, I'm 8. How old are you? 40 or something? Trying to date little girls? Oh my gosh, my friend is literally 8 too. You bastard. That's why you have no one. That's why you live in your parents' garage, basement. Did bro leave already? Bro, unfamily him. Unfamily him. He's right there. He's like this. Samantha, he's like this. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I am lonely. I got nobody. Hey, yo, chill. Samantha, you wanna play something else? I'm bored.
No,
Ay, aray ko! Ay, nahulog ako.
Aray mo. Baka.
Me too. What are you? Look at it. I have ice cream.
Aray mo.
You wanna... Samantha, you want lollipop too?
I already have one.
Okay.
I'ma die.
Why? Wait, me too. I'm gonna say it.
Got it. Oh, got
Shawty is a lonely in my hand. Girl, what are you? Girl, where are you?
Oh, the boy is right there. The boy. Frick. Oh, frick. That's good.
Where?
Okay, I got nowhere back home. But where are you?
Aray mo! Aray mo! Aray mo, pakak! Aray mo! Aray mo, boy! Aray mo! Aray mo, pakak! Aray mo! Aray mo! Aray mo! Aray mo! Ay na! Aray mo! Aray mo! I'm not gonna stop until he says okay.
Karina, stop it.
I know! Aray niya ka naman. Kala niya little pala. Kala niya naman Kala niya. Ay, hindi! Hindi! Ay,
You're embarrassing yourself.
no, I am not. You're embarrassing yourself.
You're under arrest for, insult.
Shut up, bro. I'm not. I'm not.
Honey boy. Honey.
Dabadi, dabudu, dabadi, dabadu, dabadi, dabadu. Look at me, look at me, look at me if you know me. Look at me, look at me. No.
Girly,
Yeah.
can you say my sister is,
G-A-Y.
you know what?
Ay.
Oh, what if I just transform it? Oh, god damn. Shut up.
My sister's gay. You can marry him.
I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
Yes, you are! No, in Roblox.
Probably.
Your reputation is cooked.
Being gay.